Hi, this is Willie Crawford. I'm the founder of the Internet Marketing Inner Circle, which is a private membership site where our members have access to all kinds of software. I've done over now 70 interviews of top internet marketers. I present them, my members, with all kinds of information they won't find anywhere else. But the heart and soul of the site is actually a members only discussion forum where members not only network and chat with each other, but they actually um, put together projects. What I do is I go to my member only discussion forum and I suggest project ideas, or any member can suggest project ideas. And from there, we actually orchestrate projects right on this member only forum where we drive all the traffic to one centralized URL. And from there, when a sale comes in, the sale is parsed out based on who's in the project. Not just clicks, but actual sales is tracked all the way through to the sale. And so we like to keep our members informed of what's going on, where there's new projects and things like that. And to do that, we publish a weekly updates newsletter, which is just a list of things happening if I can find it. This is the most recent one. So it's an update on what's happening in the inner circle. This issue is the February 13th issue, and our guest editor, our members take turns being editors, and so Anne Marie Collin is the guest editor for this issue. And so what she did was she combed the forum and she found out what was newsworthy, and she decided to report it to other people. So she wrote up the newsletter and she sent it to me, and I just basically sifted through, and I'll make sure it looks properly formatted before I send it out, which is what I wanted to show you in this video. See, this is formatted to 65 characters per line, but when we get to the URLs here, they are more than 65 characters, and what will happen there is that most software is going to line wrap those, and it'll be on two lines. So the URLs will be too long to display properly in some email clients, and it'll break into two parts, and some readers would have to cut and paste and things like that. So what I wanted to show you is a piece of software that I use to shorten these URLs, and not just one at a time, but all the URLs, and also it gives me the ability to track the click-throughs on the URLs at the same time. So what I use, let me copy this first of all. Okay, I've copied the entire issue of the newsletter, so now I can show you what I use is a piece of software called Your Own Short URL, which is here. It's at yourownshorturl.com, and it lets you shorten individual URLs and paste those into web pages and emails and things like that. But the feature I like most is, if I pull it up, this is my control panel. Let me adjust my screen slightly. You can see it lets you shorten URLs, convert text documents, and this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to convert this entire newsletter, all the links in that newsletter, to shortened URLs, and then this is to view, edit, and delete those shortened URLs. So it lets me track my statistics on that screen. But what I want to show you is I select convert text document. It says paste an article or block of text with URLs to shorten, so I'm going to put it right in this box. I pasted it there. I scroll down, I click on shorten URLs in text, and it has shortened every URL in this newsletter. I'm going to copy it, find my text document again, and I'm pasting in the document with the shortened URLs. And as you can see right here, those long URLs that were way out here is now shortened to something this simple. See, these are the shortened URLs, and every URL in the document is now being shortened. And so it makes a nice, neat newsletter. But what's even more powerful is if I go to the control panel I showed you earlier, and I click on view, edit, delete, scroll down, if I were to select view, process records, what it gives me is, I'm going to have to scroll a little. It shows for each URL when it was created, and then the destination URL, and then it shows an alias for it, and the number of clicks, and when it was last clicked. So from that I can track my clicks within a document. And so as you can see that I have quite a few. I track a lot of things, and because when I'm posting on places like Twitter, I'm most often using a shortened URL, and it was created using this very software. Very powerful, and this is how I format an entire newsletter, though, all the URLs in it, and now this newsletter is ready to be sent out to all of our members, the members of the Internet Marketing Inner Circle. Now they're updated on what's going on inside their private membership site. They're invited back over to participate in their discussion, any items going on in their membership site that they're interested in. If they're not interested, that's fine, but they don't miss out on anything because we keep them informed. And the newsletter, again, is very easy to format. I use your own short URL, again, which is right here at yourownshorturl.com. And I encourage you to check this tool out. It's $35, and that lets you take this script and install it on as many of your domains as you care to. Very simple to use, simple to install, easy to use script that I use every single day. Again, this is Willie Crawford, founder of the Internet Marketing Inner Circle, and I thank you for your time.